guys, welcome back. I'm Chinela. Today I'm doing a playlist challenge. I have this player online. This is 39 pesos, and I had this like mini Play-Doh and this spoon from my life. Sabi ko lang siya.
You're gonna get free stuff out of this. Try it. Alright, so looks ridiculous. But this is how you get a free pair.
Oo nga, 39. Pero mag-7. May 7 piece. Kaya ginawa nila.
So sorry, didn't mean to break your interior.
Yes.
The four American Line Stars' first Olympic tryouts for the long jump. Never seen that before on the track. People need at least an 8-meter jump to qualify. He's off. Sloppy. When you gain the proper speed.
See guys, it's all empty. See? Eat it until it's soft. So really fine. So I need to go and come like this bowl. So I'm gonna make it out. Just feel it. Then a bit in the hat. So it's satisfying. So now I'm making some. What's this? Should make a hell. I'm making a house, but only flat house. This is the surface, so I'm using a flat. And the door. As I'm gonna doing the windows, just move it up and then just move it like this.
Did you see that, Marissa?
But we have to cut it.
Just you wait, you dragon. I'm going to get my real sword. Ride's over, princess.
There should be like this. And then you should make 3 of this.
Right, my little princess.
Yes, dear father.
So guys, I made sorry guys, I made these 3 windows, 1 2 3, 1 doors, and this truss, this is triangle, and I make these strips to make it realistic. And the next is put your first window on here, the second is here, and the second is here, and the third is there,
Glad to see everybody's
and the last is the door. Let's see. Okay, that's all. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for me. And give a big thumbs up. And guys, oh, my hand is blue because I was playing. So, and then let's get this video to 150,000 likes. So, see you guys next week. Bye.